So we're going to give him a couple treats to kind of get him excited. Okay, you all ready to see this amazing jumping pig? Okay, Eli, come on here, buddy. Jump! Jump, Eli! Jump! Jump! Is that amazing? Well, maybe not that amazing. They didn't seem to be impressed, buddy. Let's raise the bar, okay? Let's raise the bar. Okay, come on, Eli. Okay, you ready? You see where it's at? Okay, come on, buddy. Come on, let's jump. Come on. No. No, 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 I think that's better than the truck, actually. Okay, let's try this one more time. Eli, back up, buddy. Okay. Hey, you. Short back. Okay, there you go. Okay, now you're ready to do this? Come on. Let's jump. Come on. Jump. Eli, jump. Come on, buddy. Eli, jump. But really? I did tell you they were smart, right? You're not going to jump. We're going to try one more time. Okay, come on. Here you go. Come on. Come on. Would you jump over that for me? Yay! I don't know. I don't think he wants to jump there. We're going to try one more time. We're going to try. Jump over there. Come on. Come on, Eli. Jump. Come on. He's not going to do it today. As I said, this is his first show.